Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the eyedropper tool not working in Meccha Chameleon. So if you cannot pick colors from objects or the eyedropper is not responding, just follow along. First, make sure you're using the eyedropper during the painting phase. The tool may not work if you're outside the customization period. Next, check that you have selected the eyedropper tool correctly from the paint menu. And after that, aim directly at the surface you want to copy the color from. Then try selecting colors from different objects because some surfaces may not support color sampling. You should also check your controls and make sure the eyedropper key or button has not been changed. And if you're using a controller, check your controller settings and reconnect it if needed. Next, you can try restarting the game and using the tool again. You can also update Meccha Chameleon to the latest version to fix possible bugs. And if the problem still continues, verify the game files through Steam to repair missing or corrupted files. So those are the best ways to fix eyedropper tool not working in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.